Okay? Alright. So, good afternoon people. Last class we have learned about how to serve spirits and whiskies. Today we'll learn about how to serve white spirit, that basically your gin and your vodka. So these are white color, and whiskey, rum, these are in red color. Once again, take a look at the bar, and as you have seen, so back, that's the back bar, this is the front bar, and that's your bar dial that touches the bar and the floor. This is called bar dial. Okay? Here also guests come and sits and they enjoy the drink. This is known as a bar stool or bar rest. Okay? So quickly we'll take a look at how to serve a gin. I'll go inside the bar. So now I'm inside the bar now. So let's take an example. Guests come to the sir, please come forward. Move forward, sir. So let's take an example. Guests come to the restaurant and I am standing here and he asks me that can I get a gin? So he will not or she will not take a look at the menu card. He take a look at here and he'll say I love a gin. So he guest is educated, they know the gin. They will say that I will need a Blue Riband gin. So Blue Riband gin, as we know, it's a gin from India. What we will do now? We will pick up the bottle and serve? No. Never ever serve the bottle from display. डिस्प्ले दिखाने के लिए होता है. दुकान में जींस के पैंट और टी शर्ट बाहर पुतले के ऊपर लटकाया जाता है दिखने के लिए. तो आप देखो, चॉइस करो एंड कम इनसाइड द शॉप एंड बाय. So now we're going to serve the gin. So I've got a gin bottle, Blue Riband with me. So guest order for I want a gin with some soda. So this is my soda with me. Now gins are served with a lemon. So I'll take my lemons here. You can see there's a chopping board, and I'll make some lemon slices. This is my lemon slice. It's better that you always take out the seed. That will be always good. Okay. So I've taken out my seeds. Okay. These are already kept in a bar as a mise en place. Okay. So need not to worry about it. So now my gin is ready. Now I have to set my salver. That's very interesting. So I'll set my salver. This is my salver. You can take a look. Sir, try to focus here. I need a ice also. Guest may or may not ask ice. So you need to take the ice always. I have ice with me. Gin is served in a Tom Collins glass. Then I will. These are my two important bowls. One has got peanuts and one have got olives. This is the complimentary snacks that is given by a bar. ये मैंने रख लिया. फिर मैं अपने लिए कॉकटेल नैपकिन रखूंगा. जैसे खाने के लिए नैपकिन चाहिए, वैसे यहाँ पे भी कॉकटेल नैपकिन चाहिए. It's here. And now I also need to serve the gin. So gin is served in a Tom Collins glass. So I'll take the Tom Collins glass. I'll keep it over here. And then I will take my peg measure. So this is my peg measure. Guest has asked for 30 ml. Sorry, let's take an example, 60 ml. Last class we have learned about 30. So you can see, take a look. This is my 60 ml. And I will serve my 60 ml gin here. So Blue Riband gin. And this is total 60 ml is here. And now I'll take my glass and quietly put it here. Do I put the lemon? No, not now. Why not now? Take a look at this. This is my bowl. I'll take the lemons here. So my salver is ready. I also need a toothpick. Why I need a toothpick? I'll let you know. Okay. My salver is here. I will not take the salver from here. I will take the salver. Okay. I also forgot something called ice storm. I will not serve this ice salver from here. I'll keep it here. I'll go outside the bar. Also I need a coaster, I forgot to tell you. And this guest also asked for a soda. So let me take some soda also. Now my salver is complete and ready to go. Guest is already set up there. So let's go. All the best. Please come closer. So this is my guest. He's sitting over here, and this is my right hand side. ये मेरा right side है. I'll put my right leg forward, step by step. First is coaster. I'll place my coaster here, and I'll put this munching bowls. This is known as your. Let's take an example: peanuts and olives. Finally, there is a cocktail napkin, and then I also put my sir. This is your Blue Riband gin. Now guest didn't ask for a lemon. I know this thing. But internationally, gin is always served with the lemon. So what I'm going to do I put the lemon right away? No. I will take a toothpick and I'll pierce it here. And then I will ask the guest, sir, do you care for some lemon also with the gin? If guest say yes, yes I need, then you put one slice of lemon. White spirit served with lemons. It's kept over here. Do you need some ice, sir? Yes, I need some ice. Carefully pick up the ice. Look at this, how I'm picking up the ice. Take a look. I'm holding the ice on the other side so that it won't come out. You see this fall down. Keep this video rolling. This is a very interesting case if this thing happened. What you should do at this point of time, so this is a great complaint. Immediately you need to replace the seat. So I am replacing the seat and add one. It is very good that this complaint happened right here because अगर ये होटल में होता तो शायद आपके पास बोलने के लिए ऑप्शन नहीं था. It's really excellent that this thing happened inside the class. So now you understood with the mistake that I've committed, so that this mistake will not be repeated again. You know why this ice has fallen down? Ice has fallen down because I have pressed too hard. मैंने बहुत जोर से इसको पकड़ के रखा था. That's why it's fallen down. If I keep it slowly, it won't happen. Because क्या होगा? पानी को अगर ऐसे पकड़ोगे तो पानी रहेगा आपके हाथ में. It will go away. So I'll take my ice and I'll put it here. So how many cubes you want? Put more. 1, like 2. That's how I put my ice. Now guest says, yes, add some soda. Before you add soda, you need to ask the guest, sir, please tell me when to stop. Sir, please suggest me when to stop. Now guest says that yes, you can stop now. You will stop, and now you will put one more coaster and keep your soda right over here. That's how your gin, your vodka has to be served. But remember one thing, what happened? Sometime guest will also say that I need some water, get it in another decanter, keep it once. Okay? Now, take a look at this thing. I keep my salver here, I am working in the bar. Suddenly guest says that I need one more with vodka. So, suppose the guest has finished it. So, let me assume that guest has already finished this one. So, I'll put everything here over here. And the glass is empty. So glass will remain empty. What do you have to do right now? Do you get one more glass? फिर से glass ले जाओगे आप? No. You will do something like this. This is called short glass. This is called short glass. Short glass में आप क्या करोगे? वापस आप अपने blue ribbon की जो bottle है that you will take out. So put on again. Sorry, I'm making a big mistake. I have to always use a peg measure. So he asked for a 60 ml, so I'll use the 60 ml. 60 ml I've added, and now I will put it here. Something has fallen down, so obviously we do it back again. This is very, very carefully need to understand now, because now I know that this thing has fallen down, so I don't know that whether this is 60 ml or not. Because I put it my wish, ऐसे ही मैंने डाल दी. देखिए ये गलतियां जानबूझ के हो रही है आपको समझाने के लिए, so that you don't commit the same mistake. अब हम इसको कैसे realize करें ये 60 ml है या नहीं है? What I will do, I will put it back in the peg measure and take a look whether it is actually 60 ml or not. So मैंने देखा यहाँ पे कि this is not 60 ml, इतना extra है. So एक्साइज डिपार्टमेंट को अगर ये पता लग गया मैंने एक्स्ट्रा पिलाया है तो मेरी नौकरी खतरे में, मेरी क्या पूरी होटल की नौकरी खतरे में. So what I will do, I will put it quietly and nicely. कितनी अच्छी बात है, ये सारे गलतियां आपके सामने हो रहा है. अब मैं वापस ऐसे सैल्वर्स को लूंगा. गेस्ट को थोड़ा सोडा भी चाहिए होगा, तो let's assume that we will take one more soda here. So just hold on please. Okay, I've got one more bottle of soda. So I've added some sodas here, and now I will take the entire. No new glasses, no nothing, but exactly will be the same. So I'll go back to the table again. Please sit over here. sir, your 60 ml your blue ribbon gin. So he says that, okay, let's take it out. And you care for some lemon? Yes, I do care. So I'll put it. Sir, you need some ice? Yes, I also need some ice. So I'll take some ice here. Sir, how many cubes? Put some 2 cubes. Then you, sir, this is your blue ribbon gin. So glass is empty. No fresh glasses are added. You nice need some soda as well? Yes, I need. Enjoy your drink. Okay? So that's about the vodka service and also your gin service. Thank you very much.